Inga, aged 51 from Sweden, was going through a huge transformation and she was looking for a program that would match the inspiring direction her life was taking. She was looking for a structure and a loving community that would keep her accountable. She yearned for a new routine that focused on health and self-care, and she found it in the Face Yoga Method 30-Day Face Toning Challenge. Here's her story.
Hi everybody, I'm Inger from Sweden. I'm 51 years old. In April, I decided to make a big change in my life. I quitted my job as a general manager with 200 employees. I really needed to invest time in myself. I started to eat healthy, to work out, but most of all, to surround me with people that gives me energy instead of drains me from it. So when I came across the facial yoga method, it was meant to be. It was so obvious to me that I had to work out my face in the same way as my body to stay fit, stay healthy, and to stay young. Thank you, Fumiko, for sharing the method with us. Now I understand how my body, face, and mind work together. I've been doing the poses 1 to 3 times a day, depending on how much time I've had. I ran a little bit behind, but with all the support from you women out there, I catched up again. The best part for being in the challenge is you amazing ladies, Fumiko, Denise, and you beautiful women out there who's been supporting me and sharing each other and just open up and being honest. It feels like you are my friends even if I've never met you in real life. And you give me so much energy. I'm gonna make facial yoga to a daily routine. I keep on doing it every day now. I started all over from day 1. I make some more poses depending on what area in the face I want to work on. I've been doing the yogurt mask and the egg mask, and I just love them. They are so much more effective and less expensive than my ordinary masks. I also love the 20-minute walk. I'm out on my hour walk now. And the hot water. I even replaced my good coffee with hot water now. It feels so much more natural and healthy. I love to be in this group, and I love you amazing women out there. Have a great day and take care. I see you soon.
Isn't that amazing? Within 30 days, Inga felt more alive than ever. You too can change the direction of your life. I recently hosted a webinar where I go through exactly what the 30-day face toning challenge includes, along with what you can expect from the results and the community surrounding the program. If you haven't seen it already, I urge you to click on the link and watch the replay. Let this program be your catalyst for change.